Premiere Pro is finally on iOS. That means you can now edit professional videos straight from your iPhones or iPad. No laptop needed. Welcome to TechGen Avenue. Now, Adobe has finally dropped Premiere Pro for iOS. Yes, the real deal editing app on your iPhone and iPad. Imagine editing like a pro right from your pocket. That sounds crazy, right? Let's dive in and see how. So, if you are wondering about how to edit professional videos, normally people will be using the CapCut and other editing apps which you need to pay or purchase. But thanks be to Adobe Premiere Pro, now we can edit freely on this particularly app. So for the first time users or first time of hearing it, you need to go to your app store to download this Premiere Pro app. So head into your app store and search for Premiere Pro. Let's start everything. So you start for Premiere Pro, as you can see here. When you click on it, yeah, so as you can see, the Premiere Pro app here, because I've already downloaded it on my phone, so no need for a downloaded button to be shown here. So I just click on open new video fresh. So there's the interface of open. First time of opening the interface is what you're going to see. So we have the new from photo library, new from files, new blank project, extract audio, add captions, generate image to videos, expand image. Good. So this generate and image to video, they are all AI features. Now let's head into the new from photo library. So when you click on this one, you just choose any video here. So let me go and choose my gym video, then use it as well. Good. So I just want to choose this one. I want to choose this one and this one. Good. So choosing it, opening it, the new project, is how the interface looks like. We have the starting button from the start then to the end here. There's this button is the end, and this one will take you from the beginning. Good. And we have frame, playing it by frame by frame, playing it frame by frame. That's this side, this button, the second icon, and then the last button icon here. So as you can see, it's playing it frame by frame. Good. And you can also split the videos into portions so that you do your cuttings and other stuffs here. So I just want to delete the first part. Good. Then I'll split it here and I'll add, I'll cut a portion here. Let's see this side. Okay, and you can also add a B-roll to this editing app as well. So you click on any empty space so that this option will pop. That's the image, videos and images. So when you click on it, photo from library, you can get it from Adobe Stocks. That means when you are logged into the Adobe page, if you have logged into this app, it will take you to the Adobe photo stock so that you download available images or the one that you want to use. You have generate image and those stuff. From these ones are the AI features, and some of them you need to pay online. So apart from that, any of them are free. There's no need for you to pay any money. So let's head to photo library, then let's add a B-roll. So I want to use this one as a B-roll. First, when you upload it, is going to be on the same timeline. I just want to trim the unwanted part. Good. So if you want to send it to the upper or on top of the video as your overlay, you just long press on it, then you drag it up and move it to the top. Good. So you can slide it to the next side. Good. So as you can see, this is my B-roll and this is the main video. So as you can see, now So if now you can do color grading in this new Adobe Premiere Pro software as well. So you just scroll. When you click or select a video, you just scroll till you see looks or adjust. So with the looks, that means they have already made presets for you or color lots for you to choose from. Then you can increase the intensity or reduce the intensity, and this icon here means that you apply to all of the videos. So when you click on it, it only apply to those on the same timeline, and I don't think it will apply to the B-roll. So the B-roll too, you go there and do same as well. So you choose cool, no, just twilight. Good. Yes, and you can also apply to all. Good. And we have the transition icons here. So when you click on it, you can see the transition button. That means the video will start by fading in as well. Good. So as you can see, yes, and then you can choose the durations as well. Then come to this side, then you can use the flash or you can use the crossfade as well. Good. And with the transition, you can click on this particular icon so that it will apply to all of the transitions. So now it's applied to all the transitions in them as well, except the beginning, that is fading. And also you can just add music to it. So let's go add the music. So you can download it online. That's from the soundtrack available music on Premiere Pro app. Then you can do your voiceover here. You do your voice comments, sound effects as well. And the sound effect is going to take you online for you to download the sound effect. That means that's why you need to log in before. So let's get it from my library. So you just choose your music, then it will take you to your library. Let's just take any, or let's take this video, this audio here. Did the audio successfully, and I want to mute all my original audios. So just click on the icon to mute it, apply to all of them. You go to come to the B-roll, you do the same, then you mute all of them. Good. And now because of copyright issues, I want to lower the volume of the background music. Now I'm almost done, and let's head to the last option here, that titles and caption. Title here, say Jim 02. Then you can long press. You can drag it from where you want it to start. Let's say I just want it here. Good. And you can choose your style. Any of them is accepted. You can choose your font type. You can choose your font color. Okay, good. As you can see, and the output as well. Good. So without wasting much of your time, this is just a brief introduction to the newly Adobe Premiere Pro app, which is now or currently working on the iOS devices. That's the iPhones and the iPad as well. Now let's export our video. Just click on this icon here on the upper right corner, this icon here, export icon, click on it. Now you have the resolution here, we have the frame rate, the quality as well, and I prefer using the 1080p as well. So then the frame rate, I want 30 fps, then the quality I want it. So the overall size is 13 megapixels. So you click on export. Wonderful, our video is exported. Now we can go and have a view of it in our photo library. So this is our video. If today happens to be your first time, kindly subscribe, leave your comments, share for others, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever we drop a new video, you're gonna be the first person to watch.